Today we will discuss an activity. In this activity we will learn how to prepare a saturated solution of copper sulphate at room temperature and to observe the effect of temperature on its solubility. The material required for this activity are a clean and dry beaker, a glass rod, a Bunsen burner, copper sulphate and some distilled water. Take 100 grams of distilled water in a beaker and add some copper sulphate into it and stir with glass rod till it gets dissolved. When the copper sulphate gets dissolved, add some more copper sulphate into the water and stir with glass rod again till it also gets dissolved. Continue adding small quantities of copper sulphate into the water and continue stirring. A stage will come when no more copper sulphate dissolves in water and the solution becomes very thick. And any extra amount of copper sulphate which is added to the solution will settle down at the bottom of the beaker, but it will not dissolve in water. The solution is then said to be saturated at that temperature. Now take the saturated solution and heat it on the Bunsen burner and stir with glass rod. You will observe the copper sulphate that is settled at the bottom of the beaker, which remained undissolved in the saturated solution, will also get dissolved. This shows that the saturated solution on being heated becomes unsaturated solution. Now take the hot saturated solution, keep it aside and allow it to cool for some time. You will find that a small amount of copper sulphate will settle down at the bottom of the beaker